How to install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G100. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search Apple keyboard. Now here you will see Apple keyboard. Select that you want. After selecting, click on install. After click on install, wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open. Click on enable in settings and turn on this button. After turning on this button, now go back. Click on switch input method. Click on no thanks. Click on finished. Now here you will see install iPhone like keyboard from your phone. This is how you can install iPhone like keyboard in Motorola G100. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.